Okay, I just accidentally shook this up, but you can see how the soil is more at the bottom, and then you want to wait at least 30 minutes for it to settle. So there's more clear at the top. Then you stick this in for 3 seconds, lay it horizontal, and then you can either use the bottle and line it up, or I still have the box. And the match, I think, is 6. It's hard to see on the camera. Definitely cannot be colorblind at all for this. But I would say between these two, 5.5 and 6, is where my soil is at. So I'm happy with the strips because I know I just planted some plants that like more acidic soil. So I'm going to test them every so often and make sure I can add the right nutrients for it. It comes with 125 strips.